you feel about your first lap that you broke our car?
That was so sick. I got very lost, and somehow I kept a couple slides, so I feel good. I feel so good.
Not bad for your first time.
Oh, thanks, boss.
We suck. Probably better than me, but you still broke our car.
Yeah.
As we can see. JR is fixing it.
Oh shit. Battery.
Think.
If I die, burn this.
I almost linked it for the first time. That was fun. I got rubber in my mouth.
How'd you get it in your mouth with windows?
I have no idea.
Closed?
I almost choked on it. It probably threw the rust hole in the floor. But it definitely felt better with the camber and the suspension stuff we did do. So it did feel better than last time. Power steering helped. I didn't break my finger this time. So, but JR's gonna try it.
Heck yeah.
Strictly pleasure. He's going. Jose, how was round two?
Round two was better. I tried linking the course.
Yeah, you didn't.
And yeah, and now that I had direction, it was easier.
It looked worse.
Did it?
I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't want to make you cry, but sad boy Jose.
He's too used to autocross. Wah, wah, wah.
fast, you can only use clutch out or like clutch in.
Okay, so
disconnect.
Okay, so if I feel it coming around, then I just want to like kind of let off and let it slide.
Yeah,
and kind of wake itself back up instead of like let off power. So just go clutch instead of throttle.
You just clutch in, you'll brake. Obviously, you won't be spinning the rears anymore. So instead of like momentum, it'll start trying to go straight.
Okay.
So it'll just like float.
And then it'll slow itself down.
And then you get yourself back.
Is that when you would normally?
Donuts.
I think he's gonna edit this part out. Three-strike rule.
Drifts and shit like that? Fuck that. It's just too much gas. That's got it.
Never seen you get out of a car so fast.
It's not like I was scared.
Oh boy.
That was nothing, Jose. Go circle track racing and that makes that. It was cool. It was super awesome and Adam fucking kills it. Like, what's cool is like when he pulls the e-brake and it like actually sets the car and like.
Yeah?
Something you can trust to go in and enter fast. I hope it turns or you're gonna die. Piece of shit. So it's cool to ride in a proper car.
Tries to get to.
Well, everyone, Jose just hit the wall for the first time. Hey, did you guys see Jose hit the wall?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Let's go check in with Jose on his first wall tap.
He says not even a scratch, but he hits the wall.
Dude, you got 10 minutes. Take that shit back out.
Hey, I gotta drive this thing home. What do you mean not even a scratch? Look at the tape. Jeez.
Oh, jeez.
Jeez.
Hey, nothing.
Hey, right here, fool. That was not there. Look at Jose.
Oh, no, that's perfect.
Jose fucked up our car.
I did the pre-inspection. I'm pretty sure there was yellow paint.
What was it like your first time hitting the wall?
That was so cool.
Enters in third like it's gonna be hotcakes and decided to downshift in the second at the last second.
I was gonna downshift no matter what.
Yeah, but you should have downshifted a little earlier than that.
Maybe.
It was like downshift and then go. That better make it to the video.
Can I try one more time?
Hey, he copied you and hitting the wall over there.
Yeah, that's like a rite of passage. You gotta back it in.
So, Adam's got the light for us. Jose fucked up. Strictly pleasure. Look at dude, and he made it rust. Dude, come on, Jose.
Okay, that's not me.
Come on, dude.
Oh, man.
I think there's enough tire for one more attempt.
You were just getting a little excited. I saw it.
Here's our outro. We went drifting for the first time in 2 years. Jose's first time ever. My second time ever. JR's first time ever.
Oh yeah, that sucked.
It was awesome.
It was fun. It was fun.
We all had fun. Interesting. Get here, battery dies, jump pack's dead. Took the battery out of Jose's Vibe.
Oh yeah.
So battery out of that, and then he popped the tire first run.
Popped the tire?
Allegedly.
Definitely facts that he popped tire. And then crashed.
Popped the tire, crashed.
Yep.
What else? What
Spun
else?
out a bunch.
Yeah.
We got some ride-alongs with Adam. Overall, it's fun. This place, GLD is awesome for people that want to learn how to drift. Like, we suck.
sure.
Like, we're not drifters by any means. The car is shitty.
It's a $800 car.
Yeah.
With
can't
nothing.
complain. But
Nothing.
coming out here, you can just test and like learn, and like you can suck and no one cares. Like on a Tuesday night out here, it's the best for the money. You can't beat it. Like the amount of fun
and
we had.
everyone's friendly as hell, and they'll help you.
Yeah.
They'll help you for sure.
It was a good time. I had fun. Now I got to drive this ghetto ass car home with no plates.
Thank you for that.
I'll stay close. I'll stay close.
And the lights, yeah, kind of.
One headlight's out.
Yeah. Okay. Well, stay tuned if I get pulled over and arrested.
Ooh, I'm gonna watch that one.
Then I have to drive it back.